there, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel. Filmora 13 has arrived. Edit video like never before with the magic of AI features. It helps you to expand your creativity and productivity. Take advantage of brand new AI tools. Transform your videos into text and edit them like a document with AI text-based editing. Filmora AI Copilot Editing analyzes your video and provides intelligent recommendations tailored to your needs. Grab your audience's attention with click-worthy thumbnails optimized by Filmora AI Thumbnail Creator. Write a prompt and Filmora AI text-to-video will bring your idea to life. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for such informative videos.